Howdy y'all, it's Megan. I'm here at the Fort Worth Convention Center. It's 2026. We're gonna be kicking off the convention and trade show here shortly.
I see some later to present this word.
Booking speakers sometimes is a wild ride.
This is Megan and we're behind the scenes.
How many trainers are we gonna have? Four trainers. And I just want to remind you all to enjoy it.
Good morning, it's Megan and I'm here on day 2 of the NATM Convention and Trade Show here in Fort Worth. So today we are setting up the workshop rooms, putting out some electrical hookups for our workshop later today on AI. Right now, Dustin James, our first speaker for the workshop, is setting up, and we're just running around putting signage up, our easels, referring to our room sheets to make sure that the room setup is going well. We've put up some lighting to make it a little fancier. The podium AV checks this morning, and we are so excited for their members to start arriving soon.
Scott Crimmins, I'm the technical director here at NATM. A little behind the scenes this morning. We're getting set up for the first technical forum presentation by CETA, the Drive for Innovation, and we just working on the mics and everything, and all kind of act as the moderator for the room here, making sure they have everything they need, and check with facility here if we encounter any problems.
Sometimes is a wild ride. You will do all this planning for a whole year, and then at last minute things can change. So for this convention for 2026, we have 2 of our speakers that are going to talk about AI in action and how to make a marketing video on site. They are actually based out of New York, so there's a big blizzard right now and they can't get here. So all day yesterday for our prep work, we were making sure that we were setting up the room to bringing an extra screen so that we can bring that speaker presence to our audience. We also set up the room with extra Wi-Fi signal, and we put out power strips so everybody that's bringing their own devices can make sure that they feel comfortable. We did lots and lots of sound checks, lots of wires, everything going through, but we have it set up, so we're excited to be able to bring that. So as part of my job, sometimes you have to pivot really quickly and just make those accommodations as needed.
Look closely, I can see another tire. Maybe there's a spare tire on this trailer. But often what we end up doing is regenerate it and see what it looks like next time.
We'll be moving on to lunch and legislation, which is...
Hi everyone, I'm Eileen Velito, the events director. So right now we're at the lunch and legislation. We're preparing the room. We just set the flowers, we're checking on the food, and we're setting up the stage. We'll have AV here shortly. It's our first lunch and legislation. at the convention and trade show, so we're really excited about that.
Exactly.